this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable double tap on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 and you have an incoming call on your Apple Watch, then you can just double tap your index and thumb together like this to pick up the call. And at the same time, you can just tap the thumb and index like this to answer a message or reply a message. So if you want to turn this off, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do here, when you want to disable or turn off double tap on Apple Watch Series 9, is press the two crown ones to go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings, then scroll down and locate gesture. Click on gesture. Once you click on that, locate double tap and click on that. Then make sure this is disabled. So once that is toggled off, that's going to disable double tap on the Apple Watch Series 9. And henceforth, whenever you have an active call and you want to pick up the call using your index and thumb like this function will no longer work on your Apple Watch Series 9. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off double tap on Apple Watch Series 9. Found this video informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.